Hi parents, happy Friday. I wanted to make this video because a parent expressed a concern, if you want to call it that, her son's district laptop, the one he's using that was borrowed from the district, is slow. So one of the things that you can do if the district laptop or even your own laptop is slow is it probably needs an update. So on the bottom left for my district laptop, there's the start button. If you go up 2 spots to setting, looks like a little flower, click on setting. Then you will see, move this up, check for update. Let me check for updates. I'm not going to do that now, but once you click on that, the laptop will update. When that's finished, you want to restart your laptop. Again, bottom left, start, that little flower, setting, and then check for updates and then restart. So that is specifically for the district laptops and maybe even your own. And then there's another video I'm going to make to show you how to clear cookies and clear cache. Not cash as in money, but so you may want to check for updates on your laptop.